Hello there, welcome to the O7 Academy, where your interest in computer is our goal. So today we'll be looking at HTML style attributes and also HTML link. So under it we'll be looking at HTML style attributes, the uses of HTML style attributes and HTML link. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. Now moving on to HTML style attributes. One will be wondering, what is HTML style attribute? Actually, we have CSS as a design language, a language used for designing HTML. But also we can also design HTML elements, as you can see over here. What HTML style attributes mean? We can also design HTML elements right from HTML without creating a CSS file. It's part of CSS though, but it's called HTML style attribute. Now this HTML style attribute, we actually have a lot of HTML style attribute, and using this HTML style attribute we have to work with the HTML style attribute syntax, which when you read through you can see over here. Now the property is called a CSS property and the value is called a CSS value. Now moving on to the example of HTML style attributes we have the HTML background. That's we have, as you can see over here, this is how to impute it in your coding. We can see the HTML font family and more others, which is we have the HTML text size, HTML font color, HTML font decoration, HTML font color, I guess I repeat that twice, HTML alignment, HTML border color. We have a lot of them. They're actually used for designing HTML elements, especially when building a simple blog or a personal website. So we use these HTML attributes when doing that, and they are very simple to use, which are in our next project. When we're looking at our next project, I will use them and show you how simple they are. We're going to use them to design at least it will be better than the last one we did. So these are the example. There are more examples which I'll be dropping in on the group, on our WhatsApp group. Now moving on, we have HTML link. I talked about this HTML link the other time, but in the last tutorial video just like this, I didn't actually talk about the HTML link. So the HTML link is defined with the a tag. Some people call it the anchor tag. Now this is how we can see the example over here of how it's being used, in the coding. So the ref there is actually referring to the link you are actually linking to that. It can be a text, it can be a button. Some people link to buttons, some people actually link to text. That's why in some websites you actually see them, they have, while other texts are black, these ones they have specific color, just that we know this is blue. Most of them carry blue, but actually they can actually be customized to meet your own design, what you want. You can actually customize them using HTML style attribute. And this link, they help to link you from one HTML page to another. So that's how this link works. So in our next project, I will actually be showing you what this style attribute to do and the link do all together. So thank you once again for joining the O7 Academy, and please subscribe and like this video, and also keep up so that you can be able to watch our next YouTube video, which is our project on it, for more understanding. Thank you once again for your time.